class. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to heat popcorn with microwave. Plug the microwave to the power outlet and make sure the microwave screen light comes up that reads the time. Place popcorn bag in the center of the microwave oven with this side faced down. The time is displayed on the microwave screen. Select the time you wish to cook the food. We need to cook the popcorn for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So you press 2 and 30. Stay by the microwave and listen to the pop. Stop microwave when pops close to 1 to 2 seconds between pops. Overcooking will cause scorching and burning. Open the microwave and bring out the popcorn bag. It's ready. Open bag carefully by pulling up the sides. Wow, our popcorn is ready. This popcorn is properly cooked, and this popcorn is not properly cooked.